Here's the app Jogsy. Adult enjoy and chat your hot nearby social hub. So this is welcome to Jogsy. Here we offer you a whole new digital world filled with endless possibility. Explore our various features to enrich your experience. Whether you're a newbie or veteran, our product will bring you fun and convenience. Thank you for choosing us, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. So yeah, this is the app. Uh, you can just go and install it in here. Then you can just create your account. But yeah, I guess with this kind of apps you should be quite careful, because this is just some new apps with few reviews, and when you create an account you probably will be spammed with those emails. So honestly, I just don't want to do it. So you just decide whether you want to do it. But yeah, there you have it.